Hi, this is Lily Cotilla. Welcome to Edging Life. Today's segment is going to be about pain, but I'm going to give a little backdrop first on psychosomatic related issues. Psychosomatic things or manifestations are very real. It doesn't mean the person is imagining them. It has to do with the power of the mind. One's thinking can often manifest in various conditions or body ailments or aches or pains, the presentation of various symptomology. Psychosomatic conditions can also present in the reverse, but they are not as visible. In essence, preventing a wound from healing or a painful area from healing or cancer from going into remission. Those psychosomatic manifestations in that direction aren't as visible as the ones that actually present. The Eastern philosophy with respect to acupuncture, the meridians, all 12 of them, and the chi force or energy flow throughout the body, believes that each organ is associated with a particular emotion. For example, the lungs, if anyone has any lung-related issues, are associated with grief, etc., etc. Each organ has its emotional parallel. When it comes to pain, we often pull ourselves out of our bodies from that painful location. Why? Because it hurts. But in doing so, actual touch of that area is cooler than the rest of your body temperature. And as we know, there's warmth associated with healing. And you have macrophages and lymphocytes, T cells, B cells, lymphokines, all the immune system network being called to the location of the pain. But if we pull ourselves energetically out of a painful location or wound or ongoing trauma of the body, the signal, in my opinion, gets disconnected between the soma, that portion of the body, and the mind, and the necessary messages that need to be communicated via the axons, dendrites, the nerve cells, the neurons, etc., in order to send that healing to the section of the body. So the power of the mind is so phenomenal. And also the power of touch and healing love is so phenomenal. So keep this in mind. If there's a section of your body that is in pain or ongoing ache, notice how you adjust or micro-adjust your body movements and or your thinking to avoid movement in that area or hurting further that area. So you just not only energetically pull out of it, but you're very careful in terms of your movements to not, create any more problems. Just notice that, and as your own healing modality, actually bring your hands and healing touch with the energetic love you have to those sections of the body that you've been pulling out of and neglecting. Not only with touch, but with your mind as well, thinking about that section of the body and not feeling like you have to completely avoid it. So move yourself, your energy into your own healing of your own pains. And not before long, you will begin to notice increased temperature, blood flow, and associated immune system activated response.